Alrighty, we are back with the white van system for a sound test. The one I did last night just wasn't very loud, wasn't very clear, so we're going to do it again. So here we go. I'm at a high volume this time. Let's try something else. Here we go. Getting close to that woofer and get some excursion. Got some subwoofer excursion going on here. Doesn't move very much. Let's just run some tones and see how much I can get out of it. That's not too bad. It's almost an inch. Look at that, it's pretty impressive. Let's see if we can get a bit closer to that woofer. Would have helped if I put the screws all in the back of it, but I didn't. Let's have a look at the back. Well, nothing greatly special on the back. Just your regular AC3 inputs, auxiliary input, antenna, the world's most stupid speaker connectors. What's surprising though is the output power it claims is 65 watts for the subwoofer and 5x15, which isn't unreasonable. Power switch. I wonder what that does. MP3 input, yeah, that's about all it's got. It's got your standard connectors on the speakers and everything. Nothing overly special. But Doesn't sound too bad, as you can tell by the sound test. I wish I had these stupid things. It's a real big pain in the ass. Anyway, thanks for watching.